Mike Shorr of Prosper Trading Academy joins us now. He's a day trader. We're so happy to have you on the show.
Thanks for having me, Angie, as always.
Ready to get into the weeds.
Yeah.
I had to tell a joke. We're talking about a pot stock. We don't normally do those on the show, but you have a day trade in TLRY, which is one of the bigger names out there.
Exactly. Those were my points. I usually don't play around a lot in the space, but there are a couple that act like and have the open interest and everything that it acts more like a big cap stock.
It's got liquidity.
It's got liquidity, and it acts more like a normal stock. A lot of these cannabis stocks are penny stocks or very low priced and just take off for really no reason, and this really it doesn't follow those patterns necessarily.
Well, that has been my concern with doing this show, and that was one of the reasons why we don't talk about some of the smaller Bitcoin companies or crypto companies and cannabis companies, is because if people have plenty of extra money to take a wild shot at some of those stocks, it's your call.
Exactly.
But some of these companies are just not going to make it. They're going to be gone tomorrow.
90% of them won't make it. I mean, they're just they get listed, and they're lottery tickets, quite frankly. This isn't one of those, though.
That's from a trader, so that's the truth. So let's take a look at what you would do as far as a day trade in TLRY, one of the ones that is looking a bit sturdier here.
Yeah, exactly. And I usually will not put longer term trades on in this at all, because they act on fundamentals that, quite frankly, not that I don't necessarily understand, but I'm certainly not on the in as far as what those are concerned. But they do act on technicals, and so with TLRY, what I'm looking for is a classic breakout where we have it's based on an hourly chart, and it's confirmed on the daily chart. It opens up above a certain level, and what I'm looking for is a pullback. In this case, I'm looking for TLRY to pull back to 42.18, and I'm just going to buy the closest to the at-the-money call that I can buy. And if it works really quick, and if it doesn't, it gets sucked back below that level, and I'm out.
But you are bullish, and again, it is a one-day quick trade.
It's a one-day quick trade.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
That was a good lesson. For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.